Hello again, everybody. Here's our very nice and cool and strong Leica's microscope based on Wild's M10 model. Regardless, this model was made kind of 20 years ago, I suppose even 30. Its performance is close to modern Nikon SMZ 1000 and Olympus ZX10 models. So let's see how it's made. I'll try to show you some mechanical parts inside. So let's wait. Let's see how it's made inside. Initially, you can see very cool reflection, anti-reflecting coating. If you compare it to Nikon's SMZ 1000 coating, it's much more efficient. The same comparison to Olympus shows that this Leica overcomes strongly even Olympus's anti-reflective coating on any lenses. So regardless to its age, the performance of this microscope is outstanding, and when we make some strong tests, we would see that this microscope reaches diffraction quality of each channel. That happens not that often. So let's see how it looks inside. So I took out external parts of the covers. Now let's see how it's made. It's made with a very thick, kind of 3 millimeters, might be even 4 millimeters metal frame that covers some cool 4-block optic parts. Controlling consume is controlled the same way as SMZ use way. We have some profiling discs which control positions of 2 internal moving lens devices here, lens blocks, and we got 2 fixed stable blocks which are not moving. Bottom, actually it's top and bottom one here, and we got 2 blocks which move, controlling this disc, and those blocks are attached to the disc with the springs. So this schematic got no backlash of focus when we change direction of zoom dial, and this schematic is very stable in time. This exact part got some ticking device that ticks when we reach some positions of zoom. This device can be not this device, pin that makes sounds could be lifted with special scene, so it stops ticking when rotate. We can use it somehow. And let's see inside again. The controlling bolts are not that easy and nice to use as those of Nikon's. No, we need to get not cross screwdriver, just normal plates here. Don't know how to name it, and it's not that easy to adjust parts inside. It's very difficult here, but finally, overall, after regarding all parts, we got the quality of this microscope, of its mechanic, it's totally outstanding, and even better than of SMZ use from Nikon. So that is our pretty old Leica's Wild M10 zooming device. And we'll try now to watch how it works. So I need to attach some objective here, and we'll try to look through it. Okay, with plan apochromatic objective. So wait a moment. Okay, we've got little air rate alarm now, but it stopped already. So here's the microscope. We'll look through the zoom, all the zoom positions. And now we're using Leica's plan apochromatic objective with working distance of 55 millimeters. It got very cool resolution. You can see it easily. Let's try to use. You can obviously see no chromatic aberration at all. Resolution is pretty cool. So actually the microscope alone, Leica Wild M10, is a real rival to modern Nikons and Olympus's ones. And with proper objectives it can do a lot of nice things in your workshop. So thank you everybody, we've done it finally. I need to show you how its objective looks like. This original objective here, Leica Planapo 1.0x with working distance of 55 millimeters, is actually very cool objective. The coating itself is superior, much better than in Nikon on Olympus's objectives. So we've got set this nice microscope here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for not missing my next videos, and bye bye.